Hello there. I'm going to show you two methods to fix the error message D3D11 Compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine. That was a mouthful. The first thing we're going to try is go on down to your search bar and search adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and then click that. With the performance option now open, click on the advanced tab and then click on change under virtual memory. With the virtual memory screen now open, if it's already highlighted that automatically manage paging file size, turn this off so you have access to the custom options here. And then under custom size, for initial size, we want to put in 1024. And then for maximum size, we want to times this by the gigabytes of RAM that you have in your computer. So what we'll do is we'll open a calculator quickly and then we'll do 1024 times, I have 32 gigabyte RAM. So I'll do times 32, which means my maximum size is 32768. Obviously, if you have 16, half this number. If you have 8, half that number again. And then click set. After you press that, just click OK. If that still hasn't fixed your issue, the next method is to open up our search again and type in device manager. Now, this next method will require you, well, could potentially require you to have to plug in your monitor cables into the HDMI or display ports that are native to your motherboard rather than your used graphics card. But what we're going to do is you right click on your graphics card here, click disable device. Once that's done, you then right click it again and then click enable device. 99% of you will have more than one display adapter here, but my PC does not have more than one. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.